Hi there and welcome. I am so excited to have you here and I want to personally welcome you to the DIY Bookkeeping Lounge. So if you're a business owner and you want to confidently manage your own bookkeeping, but don't want to feel like you're figuring it out all alone, you're welcome and you've come to the right place. This community was created specifically for entrepreneurs like yourself and people who want to understand their numbers, stay organized, and feel confident in their finances without all the overwhelm. So let's take a few minutes to show you around. So my name is Maria Mejia, and I am the owner of Your FS Matrix. So for years, I've worked with business owners in all different kinds of industries, helping them understand their finances and build a bookkeeping system that actually works. So one thing I've noticed is that not every business is ready to outsource their bookkeeping, and that's perfectly okay. Some business owners want to learn, some want to save money, while others, they're just growing, and others simply just want to stay involved in their finances. So that is exactly why I created the DIY Bookkeeping Lounge. I wanted to create a space where you can receive ongoing support, practical tools, and expert guidance all year round, not just during tax season. So my goal is simple. I never want a business owner to feel lost or confused when it comes to their own finances. So you deserve to understand your numbers and make informed decisions and run your business with confidence. And that's exactly what we are here to do for you. So let's take a quick look at everything that's included in this membership. If you're not using a bookkeeping software like QuickBooks Online, don't worry, that's okay. We've included a simple bookkeeping tracker that allows you to organize your income and expenses by month. It's designed to keep everything neat, organized, and ready whenever tax season arrives. One of my favorite parts of this membership is our monthly co-working session. So it happens on the first Wednesday of every month at 12 noon Eastern Time, and we meet together on Zoom. So these sessions are very relaxed and very supportive. You bring your bookkeeping tracker, you have your laptop, have your questions ready, and even have your favorite coffee or hot chocolate. We'll work through your bookkeeping and everyone's bookkeeping together. You'll have the opportunity to ask questions, receive real-time guidance, and stay accountable. You will also be able to finally check off bookkeeping off your to-do list. So whether you stay, just for 15 minutes or the entire hour, you are always welcome. And don't worry, we keep the same Zoom link every month, so it's easy to join. And if you can't make this session, that's okay. We'll be coming back around next month. So also each month you will receive our newsletter. Inside you'll find important tax reminders, filing deadlines, and bookkeeping tips, as well as practical advice to help keep your business running smoothly. So think of this as your monthly financial check-in, making sure that nothing slips between the cracks. And if this is your first visit, well, here's what I recommend doing today after you've signed up. So first, download the bookkeeping tracker. Next, add the monthly co-working sessions to your calendar so you don't miss it. And then finally, bookmark the page so that you can easily come back to it whenever you need resources. The sooner you build the habit of staying on top of bookkeeping, the easier everything becomes. Now remember, this membership is self-guided, and that doesn't mean that you're going to be at this alone. So whenever you have questions, I'm here to help you. So all you have to do is simply send me an email, maria@yourfsmatrix.com, and I will point you in the right direction on how to solve your problems. And remember, no question is too small. We've all started somewhere. As your business grows, your bookkeeping needs will also grow too. So if you reach that point where you'd rather, spend time servicing clients, growing your business, or even just simply taking bookkeeping off your plate, well, we can help you with that as well. So your FS Matrix offers full service monthly bookkeeping, payroll, tax preparation, and business support services. So whether you're doing it yourself today or looking for someone to take it over tomorrow, we are here to help you when you're ready. So I'm truly excited to be part of your bookkeeping journey. And remember, bookkeeping does not have to be stressful. With the right tools and the right support, as well as a little consistency each month, you'll build the confidence to stay on track and have full control of your finances. So I can't wait to see you at our next co-working session. And until then, happy bookkeeping and welcome to the DIY Bookkeeping Lounge.